How's it going, everyone? It is Eric here with Boulder Road IO. In this short tutorial, we're going to go over how to make a parallax scroll effect. You can see here this is a rebuild of WhatsApp, and there'll be more tutorials on that coming. But you can see how the picture, it's not scrolling as fast as the actual settings itself. And this is, it's a delayed scroll using chain. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that on this new canvas where we've copied this. So we have two units here that we're working with. One is the photo and then the scroll elements that are going to go over the photo. To start, you're going to go ahead and click chain. You can click C for short, or navigate to the actual triggers and click chain. We're doing a chain on the scroll here. And what's going to happen is we want to move this picture, and as we scroll up, we're going to make the movement actually happen. So I'm going to set this to 500 pixels. And for the starting movement here, so like what this move actually means is that when I scroll up 500 pixels, I will move the other object from these coordinates to these coordinates. So if I scroll up 500 pixels, something is going to happen to, and let's select a group picture, something will happen to this. So the coordinates of this is 0, 88. So we're starting at 0, 88. If you don't pick the right coordinates for the starting picture, you'll see here this is the starting. If I don't pick the right ones, let's make this like 180, and you preview, what you're going to notice here is, let's have this go to 180 and then 88. You're going to notice it'd be weird. It's going to start off position. So always make sure that the coordinates on the right start. And what's different here is we're going to keep the x value the same. Because of the coordinates here, it's based on this top left here of origin. We're going to move this negative 250. And what that looks like now is you get the nice scroll effect. So it's moving up. If I don't do negative and I made it positive, it would actually move down, and we don't want that effect because that just it doesn't work. But if you wanted to move the picture down, that's how you would do it. So this was a quick tutorial on making a parallax scroll. I'm going to be coming out with more of these tutorials on rebuilding some cool interaction designs from WhatsApp. That includes the and let's upload this here. That includes, activating the camera and other sensors and so forth. So with that being said, if you guys want to try out rebuilding some of your own apps, I recommend downloading the Pixel Cells freebie that they have out here. I'll be coming out with tutorials on rebuilding these apps as well as a few other things now that I'm back in the YouTube groove. Anyways, thank you again. I hope this was helpful. It was really quick and simple. And if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments below. Cheers.